friends, I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, we will discuss about table function in Oracle PLSQL. So table function is any function whose return type is collection type. So those functions are called table function. Now to define the table function, first of all, what we need to do? We need to create an object type. Okay. And in the object type, we have to define all the columns which we are supposed to get returned from my table function. Okay, and after that we have to provide one collection type. Here I have used collection type as nested table. Okay, which is of object type. Now what we can do after that, we have to create our function, and return type of that function would be my nested table type. Okay, which is a collection type. Now after that, what we need to do, we have like initialize this collection by using one variable also. Okay, and here inside the cursor we have to write all the business logic. Okay, what are the join condition which you are having, and after that, whatever, we have to define one variable which is of my cursor type. Okay, now what we have done it here, we have used, by using bulk collect, we are assigning those values of my cursor into cursor type. Okay, by using opening cursor and using the bulk collect. Okay, what bulk collect does? Bulk collect performs reduces context switching between my PLSQL engine and SQL engine. Okay, and after that, whatever values we have assigned into my cursor type, we have to assign those values to my collection. Okay, so what we have done it here, we have used one for loop. Okay, this is the first and last. Why I used it? These are the my like collection attributes. Okay, first and last for nested table. And after that, if you see it, I am extending. So what I am extending here, whatever collection I have initialized above, so I am just extending that in that loop. In the last, what I am using here, by using object type, I am assigning all the attributes which I am getting as a return from this my cursor type. Okay, in the loop, what will do, every time it will get extended by one, and in that thing it will assign those values. Okay, and after that, by closing the loop, we have to close my cursor, and I have to provide my nested table as my return type. Okay, so now let me test that thing. So once you are, one more thing, now to test that function, what we are using here, select star from table and then my function name. In this way, you see all the values are coming here for that function. But if you say, it's a very simple thing. Okay, but whenever you are dealing with very huge volume of data, okay, and what you would be having, like you would be having complex join condition inside this cursor. Okay, one more, and second thing, like whenever you are dealing with huge volume of data, this bulk collect will definitely help you in improving your performance. So you can achieve the same result by using a return type as a sysref cursor also. But that sysref cursor would not be performance efficient. Why? Because every time it will perform your context switching. But as we are using bulk collect here, and if you have to provide return to any by using any function, so this is the best method which is provided in Oracle PLSQL. So I will share this code in my description box. You can go and try to test the same. So that's all from this video. Thank you.